stiff up like steel. Have 3 legs, love how the third feel. Hey, fuck it.
Jesus Christ.
Reaction.
Boom, what's the word to me about Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss? I'm back in effect with another video for you guys. We're gonna song from Guyanese artist named BadBrat. Song dropped last night. I know her, you see me I say, I know her before the skits. You see me I say, I know her before all of them things, I know her for a long time. But I'm not gonna lie, I just start drop music. But when you subscribe to our channel, she had a YouTube. I think we have a YouTube video together. You see me I say, I can show me. You see me I say, I know her for a long time. I must score that I must see the page come up on my subscriptions and I say song O.M.G. Me I say, hold on. Go up on the page and say, oh, I say, oh, you see me I say, so I'm not going to talk too much. But guys, I make up themselves, we need people that make up themselves as usual. It's a long time I present phone, you know, chop already. I get straight to the video. You might still have the videos, so come back and watch the channel. You see me I say, recommend some sound to react to. Like up the videos them, drop some fire emoji. You see me I say, you can see what I'm going right now. O.M.G. BadBrat, right on. I private him every day, no man call BadBrat a while ago. We know we have a private man call my girl, then we in my jail. Then me I say, go on still. Maybe your girl, I'm not trying to pass the place. A long time I talk to her. Maybe our boyfriend is in it. Me I say, easy myself. Go on.
Yo, I outside.
Okay, baby, 4th floor.
Yo, I outside. I start at the girl in way, you know.
Room 6. Hurry up.
Alright, good. Forward in.
Nah, I don't like him come for pop a piece of work, you know, that I'm sorry for BadBrat, you know. Say it every time. What are they? Was this one authorized? We don't know. Move your hand, girl. Not gonna lie. If you was a man in the dog, you see me and say you have America, you're a girl left. I go for a Jamaican man. Just want to say the same of it. The harder day in the background. Then me and say we don't talk. Go on. Clap up your ass. Clap up your fucking ass.
Make we bust a fuck, make we bust a sweat. You alone know for make my pum pum wet. Never met a man but like you yet.
You sure it's like him alone know for do that? Because me don't know I like me to talk, we talk. Go on, we watch a video, we react.
Bonani best sexy ever get. Hey, why you feeling kinda tight, pussy president? Nothing talk, my pussy make statement.
Okay, skinny mini, hold on.
You feeling kinda tight, pussy president?
Yeah.
Nothing talk, my pussy make statement.
What?
Loving you.
No!
Tight, pussy president? Nothing talk, my pussy make statement. Loving you is an understatement. One girl, I pull up on your residence. Make my bottle, oh my god.
But my boy, I go with things, man. But tell you, say, pull up like you didn't mean business is all that going on. You know, say, them man have tattoo on them back in the dangerous something, them man feel pain in the real life, you know. Alright.
When you sink it deep, oh lord. Make my bottle, but my two knees, yeah, me a girl. GPS can't find a better way.
The grapes, the whipped cream. Brawling, go on!
Never know them type as so me a exist. Bring your body come here, them a wanna feel it. Them a wanna feel it. The body big, me can't see it, now your jeans. Whenever we touch, you make me weak in my knees.
Oh, what is that glass? Oh, the bathroom. That is a rasties right there, son. Go on!
Body big, me can't see it, now your jeans. Whenever we touch, you make me weak in my knees. Would I stand firm, stiff up like steel. Half 3.
You said, would I stand firm, stiff up like steel? Go on!
Make me weak in my knees. Would I stand firm, stiff up like steel. Half 3 legs, love how the third feel. Hey, fuck it.
Jesus Christ. and then put the other right at the same place at the right time. They know what they're not doing anything. Either. Hey.
Still have 3 legs, love how the third feet. Hey, fuck it, let's do it raw. As my man, you can get where you want. Anything you cocky say, know that I lie. Please take it out back.
Hold on, anything what's it? Hold on.
Where you want. Anything you cocky say, know that I lie. Please take it out back, suck my pussy. Ja, make a ball. Oh my
God!
when you sink it deep, hold on.
Hold on. I want to task. Let me see what the comment section I say. Don't do it already. One Robert, never two. Who the fuck is Robert? The actor? Must see him that. Okay, visuals. Love the beach. This bad guy now. Oh, okay. Put this on replay. What you mean? Right, that's like I go glow up. It's all good feedback, you know. You see me, I say, I like it. I like it, but now I like to know. What for? I like it, but now I like to know. One thing about the song, I try to steer it because I think one video come out of it, so I'm not going to write to the song, I must listen to the song with O.M.G and the Clady. But you know, I'm finished with it. I could finish another video. Go on!
Make a ball, but me do knees, me a girl. GPS girl, find a better in.
The dog will try to spin it around in a circle like a gig.
Never know them type and so me a exist. Bring your body come.
Go on.
Them wanna feel it. Them wanna feel it. Make a ball,
You greedy, eh? Oh, if you have to like
feel it.
she never for all of the great them. I want to stick alone left. You greedy, sir. Go on.
Wanna feel it.
Hey.
Make a ball, oh my God. When you sink it deep, hold on. Make a ball, but me do knees, me a girl. GPS girl, find a better business. Never know them type and so me a exist. Bring your body come.
I get a touch, she can't stand up and fuck you. She stand up and I put up on the band, show her the blood
Find a
clot.
better business. Never know them type and so me a exist. Bring your body come here, them wanna feel it. Them wanna feel it.
That is it. I'm not gonna lie, people, with your thoughts. Like, even though that video right now, I'm not gonna talk too long. Reportage of the comments. Just want for emoji if you don't know what the comments. Soon in another one, though. Drop some song when I'm ready from over Guyana, same speed. Yes.